How to draw Demogorgon. First, we start off with adding this petal shape and keep going until you make a star shape like so. Now do it again, but inside. Hey, yo. Anyway, add two peeps melted together. Then draw a giant W for Wumbo. Two lines holding up your wide W. Now give them hip dips because we love them. And now just the tip of two paintbrushes, which is exactly what these look like. Now you can draw two poorly drawn snakes latching on to the tips of those brushes. Now we can just add some lines that connect the body to the head like so. One pointy teeth becomes a circle of pointy teeth. Be sure to add them inside those petals so it comes out looking like this. Anyway, add some ribs. Now put him on a 1500 calorie diet and keep shredding him up until he looks like your favorite fitness influencer. And voila, he do be looking like a Demogorgon, but I think he could use some detail. Whoopsie!